So I'm James, I'm from Fronius Australia, and I'm here with Mark from MC Electrical at Akari by O'Shea & Sons. And we've got a beautiful Fronius system behind us, so tell us a little bit about what you've installed here.
Yeah, okay, so we've put over 17 kilowatts of solar panels up on the roof, which is a pretty big system, right?
Yeah.
And we've put a 12 kilowatt three-phase inverter on the wall, and below that we've put 15.8 kilowatts of battery storage, the Fronius Reserva battery.
Yeah, beautiful. And tell us about why you chose Fronius.
We do Fronius for almost all our jobs. It's just the reliability of the product, and it's flexible, so it suits most homes in most situations. And O'Shea's are the same with us, is they want their systems to be reliable. They want, like, look at this beautiful home and all the work that they've put into making a quality home that's going to last.
Yeah.
They want a Fronius solar system that's going to last as well.
So clearly it's going to be the customer's forever home, and it's absolutely beautiful. They're going to be happy for many years to come.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
So to round out the Fronius ecosystem, behind me we've got the brand new Wattpilot Flex. It's one of the first installs in Australia. The really nice thing about this EV charger is it supports both single and three-phase charging, but the brand new feature is that it's got the capability of supporting AC side vehicle to grid.
Yeah, so vehicle to grid, there's a whole lot of hype around that, right? People are really excited about it coming. It has started to roll out with a couple of chargers and a couple of EVs. Is this happening now with the Fronius Wattpilot?
So not happening right now. We've got the capability of doing that in the future. The real limitation is working with the vehicle manufacturers to make the cars supported on their side of things as well.
Okay, so as this rolls out and as time goes on, you're not going to have to throw out this charger and get a vehicle to grid charger. It is a vehicle to grid charger. It just needs to be compatible with whichever vehicle you purchase.
So that wraps up looking at Akari and the Fronius installation that we've got here today. So if you're looking for a high quality Fronius installation, definitely check out MC Electrical if you're in Brisbane, and they'll hook you up.